Here's how to scrape Twitch chat without any coded knowledge. For this, we'll use the Twitch scraper from nifty.codes. Link will be in the description. Simply just download it for your browser. Next, press on the extension. Then press Extract Chat. As you can see, we're extracting the chat of this live stream. Now, to export this, hide the chat. Then press Add to Export List, and then press Export Data. You can export it in many different ways. I will export it as CSV. After exporting, here's all the data we extracted. You can also customize the data however you want. To do this, go back to the page and scrape the data again. Now, press on the extension again, and then press Customize Fields. In here, you can change the data however you want. So for example, you can uncheck some data. You can also change the order of the data. And also change the name. Once you're done, press Save. Then, press Export. After exporting, here's all the data we extracted.